Hello guys, we met again. I'm Putra dan Joyo. For now, we're going to the new passage. The title is Precipitation. Enjoy it. Now, we're going to the intro. The intro of the precipitation. Precipitation, commonly referred to as rainfall, is a measure of the quality of atmospheric water in the form of rain, hail, snow that reach the ground. Now we're going to the second phase of this presentation. It's the vocabulary phone. I got 18 vocabulary phones here. That's precipitation means pengendapan, revert mean menunjukkan, measure mean ukuran, hail mean hujan es, annual mean tahunan, measure mean diukur, equally mean rata-rata atau sama, typically mean berkriteria, altitude mean ketinggian, proximity mean kedekatan, prevailing mean berlaku, case mean lemparan, diversity mean keragaman, influence mean dipengaruhi, windward mean di atas angin, leeward mean di atas angin, substantially mean banyak sekali, ascending mean menaik. And we're going to the main idea of the first paragraph. The first paragraph telling us about the precipitation. Same as the intro, precipitation, commonly referred as a rainfall, is a measure of the quality of atmospheric water in the form of rain, hail, snow that reach the ground. The average annual precipitation over the whole of the United States is 36 inches per year. It should be understood, however, that all precipitation is not measured equally. For example, a foot of snow doesn't equal a foot of precipitation. According to the general formula for computing the precipitation of snowfall, 10 inches of snow equals 1 inch of precipitation. For knowing more about precipitation, you can look this picture. And the main idea of the second paragraph telling us about the amount of precipitation in several areas. Combined result of several factors including location, altitude, proximity to the sea, and the direction of prevailing winds. Most of the precipitation in the United States is brought originally by prevailing winds from the Pacific Ocean, the Gulf of Mexico, the Atlantic Ocean, and the Great Lakes. This picture showing us the precipitation in a mountain. And the last part is the conclusion. You can read alone. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you for watching.